Guys, I know say I've been missing from the other day. And it's because Ari was sick, but on that I come to talk to him about. Guys, you know you can't see, you know not blind. You're not blind, you see. So while I go me there, so me say me go bleach back my ear because my ear do want bleach back, right? So me bleach back my ear and everything. So I remember say for a long time I buy the S curl something, so me say me just put me say me not keep the S curl in there because I don't want to straighten my hair. Me just me no want to straighten it, like me just want to loosen my curl them because I know the way me always do it, like make it look flat, but me still like me curl them. So me just say me just put the skirt, guys. Me never keep the something in my ear. Me put it in my ear, comb it, not even 1 minute in them. God over my head, not even 1 minute is something in my head. So after me wash my ear, me say why my ear feel so. Mommy does. They say why my ear feel that way, you like say me not have no ear. So me go around this so me I say why my ear. Me go around the mirror, so me say why my ear look so in that mirror, like say me not like how it look. Like it don't even look like ear. So me say forget about it, April. Maybe when it dry it gonna look different. But me I say it in my head me I say it can't look different because remember say in order to style my ear, me always wet it up. So the minute me wet it up, so see me. So this is my ear now. Me go a barber shop. So yeah. Yeah, yeah. Me go just a barber shop cut off one of my ear. And I feel like look funny when it a move. Like you can't see it literally don't look like ear.
Rub some eco gel in there, system. Rub up some gel in there, see. Baby, when it dry, you rub it up in there.
Mommy, have you never fear talk to me after she's not recite just laugh after me.
You see when they go down there, see as a girl do so, you rub it on the head, you never comb it out. Because once you comb it out, you straighten the ear. You understand? But if I put there, I like my combing cream. I just the curl you want in your ear. And you know, keep it there no time, you go wash out.
Can't talk to you if we're listening for a while.